Alright guys, welcome back to Let's Express Effects. So today's video we have a 2012 Kia Soul. So the customer has a problem with the trunk, doesn't want to get open. So fix the problem and one click, guys. So I'm gonna show you the tricks, and please, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more tricks. Stay with me now. I gotta show you the tricks how to fix that. So there we go, guys. So the problem, I fix it now. So I gotta show you how I fix that. So the door open now, no problem. Open again, no issue, no problem. So I'm gonna show you the tricks. So I have to go to the back of the, open the door on the back sides. You have to go in the back here. So the back of the trunk, guys, look at that. And no videos, I've been looking for any video gonna tell me what's gonna be doing. So the door for the trunk over here, you have a door here, you unlock it, you open it, and you see the Panda in the blue, that one in the blue. Sorry guys, I don't have no. There we go, guys. So the trick is, you see this pen here, you have a plastic cover here. You come in, you open the lock over here, and to open it, you see that pen over here with the blue, you push it this way, here we go. And after that, the car is gonna be started open by yourself with no issue. So this is only the emergency lines. You do it, and it's like you have a mechanism inside the car, you get fixed. So that's it. Just as soon as you push this one, the mechanism go back to his normal, and I can open normally. So you need to change all that, like most people they saying. So it's the trick. Oh guys, you see how I fixed the problem? Easy, easy, easy. Only one click. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more tricks. See ya.